Every parent searches for the best school. But what if the excellence you're looking for is already right here in your community? We have to ask, what is the true starting point of a world-class education? It isn't found in a name or a distance, but in the unwavering emotional warmth that allows a child to truly thrive. The best school acts as a natural extension of your home, where dedicated pastoral care secures a child's well-being as the essential foundation for academic success. Imperial World School is built on a foundation of absolute protection. From our earthquake-resistant infrastructure to our meticulously engineered fire-safe planning, every corner of our campus meets the highest safety standards. Because we didn't just build with concrete, we built with a parent's responsibility and a heart of care. At Imperial, learning is a lifelong pursuit, especially for our educators. With every teacher diving into a new book, we don't just lecture on curiosity, we embody it. Because a school that teaches the future must first live it. We don't just teach, we evolve. Along with high academic standards, we are trained to lead with emotional intelligence, because understanding how a child feels is the first step in helping them learn. Education here is an open horizon, not restricted within the four walls. It thrives in expression, action, and the joy of discovery. We aren't just chasing scores, we are cultivating thinkers. By prioritizing hands-on experience over rote memorization, we ensure that what is learned today becomes a foundation that never fades. As Imperial evolved, our mission became clear. Local excellence is the foundation, but global fluency is the future. We want our students to stand tall in any conversation, in any corner of the world. By integrating voices from 12 different nations into our halls, we've created an environment where students don't just observe the world. They engage, collaborate, and command it. Bringing a dozen nations together under one roof felt like an impossible mountain to climb. But we refused to let borders limit our students' horizons. By transforming our campus into a global stage for 12 countries, we prove that when you have the vision to bring the world to your doorstep, it is possible. What started as a daring ambition became a life-changing reality, showing our children that no stage is too big and no dream is out of reach. Because a healthy mind thrives in a healthy body, we've brought the future of fitness to our students. By introducing one of Nepal's first dedicated pickleball courts alongside our futsal and basketball hubs, we give our students the physical edge they need to build confidence and character. At Imperial, we believe a child's growth is a shared journey. Through our dedicated school app, we ensure parents are never disconnected, providing a real-time window into the daily routines and unique curriculum that shape our future leaders. Here, communication is seamless because we know that when parents and educators align, students thrive. It makes our lives so much easier. The IWS app has been a complete game changer for our family. From tracking the school bus in real time to seeing exactly how my child is performing in class, I never feel out of the loop. It has replaced the daily worry with total peace of mind, making our lives as busy parents so much easier. You don't have to look far for excellence. The best school isn't defined by its distance, but by its heart. It's the sanctuary that keeps your child safe, nurtures their curiosity, and builds their confidence. And we think you'll find that's exactly what we've built at Imperial.